Hi there. Welcome today. Glad to see you. I'm happy you dropped in. Yes, I am. Absolutely. And you? And you? And you? Yeah, and even you. And so, here we are today, and I would like to introduce you to SR to SR. That is Secrets Revealed to Secret Researchers. You are here researching secrets or information to be able to help you with your problem. Are you trying to get started? Have you put off and not been convinced until now, and maybe not even now, about the fact that you need to get started preparing for what might lay ahead, and you don't know how to do it, and you don't know what might lay ahead? I can understand that. I've been in that situation so many times in my life, and we're just now got it down to a science, and that's an advantage to you. So you're ready to get started, but you're overwhelmed. You don't know what steps to take next or what to do. And that's where this 70-year-old woman, or 70 plus, because I am a little over 70, can help you, because I have found myself, as I said, in that situation so many times. So how can we help? We've got videos for you. We've got private chats. We've got information that we can give you, handouts, one-on-ones, lots of information, lots of distractions, but that will help keep you on track at the same time. Stuff that can ease your mind, ease your stress, and help you achieve what you need to do. We can tell you the items you need to buy to start with first, without busting your budget. Why do I say this? Because so many people think, I cannot even put out one penny. After you've seen a few of these videos and they're telling you, you need to buy everything in the store and go to specialty places and buy preservatives and stuff that's going to last for 30 years. Forget all that. Listen to Granny Peck. Listen to Bird Dog and Tweety. We can help you. Step by step, little by little, we've got the answers. We've got it. We've done it. We're on poverty. We're on Social Security. We're below the poverty level. And yet, we can help you. We'll show you how we managed to get to where we are today, where we're 6 months to a year ahead of the game in so many areas, and we want you there too. We want you along for the ride. You want to feel secure. You don't like this feeling of stress. You don't need it. And that's why we've made this video. We've made this YouTube site. Yep, I get tongue-tied. I might stutter. I might look away from the video, and I might look at my notes here and there, or talk to strange people that are sitting off to the side watching me do this for you, or there may not be anybody there at all. But you're here, and I'm here for you. Let us help you, because you need the help, and I'm not sure if everybody out there can love you and support you and talk to you Dutch, like a grandmother would, and be able to help you achieve what you need to achieve in a short amount of time with next to no funds. Does that sound about right? Great. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is, this side, click on this link up here and get you started on your very first video telling you how to get started. What you need to do step by step. This is the first part of a 5-part series, and by the time you're done with that series, you'll be back here for a lot more tips. In fact, during the series, I tell you to keep referring back to the series, and all through it, I keep going through the series, making sure that I'm on track. We love you, angels all around, and we'll see you soon. Oh, don't forget, subscribe down here, hit the like button, ring the bell, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Angels all around.